Still in opposition?
Second time, still in opposition.
Please proceed.
Mr. Speaker, one of our previous speakers said that it is a straw man argument to say that spending money on this would take away resources from our K through 12, Mr. Speaker, and that is correct. I mean, that's some of the decisions that we make here, because every dollar we spend on one program, we are not dedicating to another program. And Mr. Speaker, I sat through and I listened to the hearings in regard to this, and I wasn't confident of the boots on the ground knowing how to carry this mission forward. And I understand the question that's here, and I'm sure if we pose this question to my community, the question of whether we support early childhood education, Mr. Speaker, really isn't the point. We all agree that early childhood education would be a good thing. But if you put on here, Mr. Speaker, because this program over the next number of years is going to cost hundreds of millions of dollars. Now, if you ask my community, should we support this and not spend the money on taking care of the facility needs that we have with Koku High School and the other elementary schools we have in the district, I'm sure the answer would be different. Mr. Speaker, I would appreciate if we could allow the opportunity, given the nature of this question, I would like to take this back to my community and talk to them about it. I could come back in another session and have a different answer. But I believe, given the needs that my community talks to me about the most, are the current needs with the inadequacies of what we currently have before us, and not being able to take care of what we currently have, Mr. Speaker, before venturing into something new.
Thank you,